Hey there, are you sick of eating the same old breakfast or drinking the same smoothie and would rather skip breakfast because the food you're eating is boring, unsatisfying, and you just don't know what to eat? Well, look no further because in this video, I'll be creating these delicious oatmeal banana breakfast bars that are not only tasty, but are completely satisfying and are sure to help keep your hand out of the cookie jar before your noontime meal. Hi, I'm Voluminusos, registered dietitian and licensed nutritionist, and I help women manage their weight peacefully with a holistic, mindful, non-diet approach. I also enjoy cooking, and one of my passions is to teach and show people that making amazingly good-for-you food doesn't have to be complicated or hard. Today I'll be creating one of my favorite go-to breakfast bars that you can make ahead of time and have for the rest of the week. This means ease and convenience for breakfast without all the mess and the fuss in the morning. As a busy professional and a mom of 2 kids, I know mornings can be hectic. That's why I try to make life easy by prepping these bars on a Sunday afternoon so that I can have them ready for the rest of the week. This recipe can easily be doubled, and leftovers can be wrapped up and frozen for later use with ease. Who needs high fructose corn syrup in our cereals, or unhealthy saturated fats and processed breakfast sausages, when you can feed your family something that's not only good for them, but that you are proud to serve? This bar takes less than an hour, and you get 10 servings out of this wholesome, smashing recipe. All you need is a few ingredients, some counter space, and presto! You've got these awesome bars for breakfast or even for snack. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below. This channel is jam-packed with valuable content just for you. And again, I don't want you to miss any of it. Now, let's get into that kitchen and see how to make these delicious oatmeal banana breakfast bars. So good. And how easy was that? Now, press that like button if you feel this is something you would consider making today. These bars are packed with fiber and protein and have all the components of breakfast in one delicious bar. They can be paired with a fruit or some plain or fruit yogurt if you are on the run. These bars are also completely vegan and gluten-free and can easily fit into most people's diets, even with those with some common dietary restrictions. And how about that chocolate in the bars? You actually feel like you're having dessert for breakfast without an unhealthy laundry list of ingredients. So consider ditching that greasy breakfast sandwich, that boring smoothie, or that sugary cereal today. Make a commitment to honor your body and your health by eating wholesome foods that are as close to the earth as possible and which can help you reach your health and weight management goals. All you need is a bit of time and a plan. I know you can do this. And if you want more insight on how to avoid weight gain during the cold winter months without resorting to restrictive diets, I've got you covered with my detailed blog on strategies to avoid winter weight gain. The link is in the description below. Additionally, if you're looking for more easy and delicious weeknight recipes, please consider picking up my free ebook, 5 Days of Easy Cool Dinners. The link is in the description below. Now, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.